in there. Okay, the guide man's telling me the crocodile's down in there. Morning guys, it's 5:20 a.m. I've just woke up super early because we're going to Awash National Park today. So we've got to head out to Piazza, catch the bus from there, join the hiking group. Feeling super tired, but I didn't really sleep much because I'm super excited. I've never been to Awash. This is going to be the first time. It's a beautiful national park with some beautiful natural springs, waterfalls, rivers, some nice resorts too. So I'm going to try and go and wake up my housemate because I've not heard from him yet. Mati! Mati! You up? I take that as a yes. Quick, we gotta go, bro. We gotta get the taxi, man. He's up and awake now. I'm just about awake. I'm gonna grab these eggs that I boiled. So we got some snacks. And then I think we're pretty much hitting the road. Got a taxi booked. The girls are gonna be ready, hopefully. We're gonna head over to Piazza, which is quite far for us. It's on the other side of town. But it's all good. And then we've got a 5-hour drive to Awash National Park. Okay, taxi man is here and ready, which is great news because it's 5:30 and we need to be in Piazza in the next 20 minutes. We are ready to roll. Give thanks with the crew. I don't know where. Where's Ellie? Okay. Alright, cool. Let's go. Apa? Jalan. Awash. Lead no. Awash. Bakala Awash.
Itu kan agar Allah
metal. Maybe. Go lead Camel. Just telling the guard so he knows where we're going so we don't miss Ishikashi. Okay, let's go. Mecca. If Ellie's not ready, we have to leave her. Let's roll. Alright. First step of the journey to Piazza. So, my BFF has made it. Late, but
not too late.
Not too late. So we're all crammed into a Vitz because that's the best way to go. Our driver is ready. We're just waiting for Mr. Matt. Salam Nagashi.
Salam.
Just waiting for Matt because he's forgotten his ID.
Yes.
You need to bring ID when you're going outside of Addis. Otherwise, you might get in trouble with the police. My BFF, she didn't bring her ID either. She thinks she's going to get away with showing a picture. Hello, Matt.
I usually do.
Alright, let's go. On the way, on the go. Alright guys, it's 6 o'clock in the morning. We just arrived at Taitu Hotel where our bus is leaving from. Had to go and answer Nature's Call, but the bus is here. The vibes are popping. That's the bus we're getting on, the yellow bus. It's gonna be a long journey, but it's gonna be worth it when we get to Awash National Park. I'm sure. Okay, here we are on the bus, getting ready to go. 6:41. It's only 11 minutes late. And counting, baby. People are still coming. We're supposed to leave 11 minutes ago. The other bus has left. Sounds like the bus engine's on, but
this is Africa Town.
Yes, TIE, baby. This is Ethiopia. We are halfway here to our destination. I don't know where we are. Yetening. Here, Yetening. Walencic. This one is Walencic. I don't know where that is. Maybe halfway, hopefully. Danana. Salam. Akam Jilta. Nagoma. Faya. Akalata Waka. Awo. So now we can practice my Aromifa. That's all I know. Give thanks. This is the cafe. We're going to go drink some chai and bunna. stretch my legs. Been about 2.5 hours already on the bus. Kind of over it already, but we're nearly there. Give thanks. Enjoying the locals with some coffee and some chai. Should be nice. Sorry about the zoom up thing. Still figuring this thing out. The crew's a bit tired, but I'm good. I'm irie. I'm lively. Just want to get to Awash and see what's going on in the national park, to be honest. There's hot natural springs, there's waterfalls, there's rivers, some endemic animals as well, but I don't know what we're gonna see. Alright guys, we're back on the road after a little shy and bunna break. Turned into a bit of a long thing as usual, but it's all good. We're nearly there, refreshed. Chai, bunna, alle. That's tea and coffee for those of you who don't know, or water. We were gonna have a few beers, but probably not a great idea before the hike. But everybody's in good spirits now. I think everybody's a bit happier getting out stretching the legs because we've been on the bus for like 2.5, 3 hours. And it's a bit of a long thing, but we'll be there soon. Right, Amazinho?
Right.
Ciao for
Don't know
now.
what to say.
Okay, yeah. My BFF. We're like, ah, we're going now. Good stop. Nearly halfway now. Some beautiful scenery in the mountains. Catty! Look what I spy with my little eye. Don't know if there's hippos in the lake, but there's definitely camels. Quite a few. 100. They're looking at us. I don't think they're that into you. Time to get up close and personal with Camel, the camel.
In Brazil, we have two names. Like the one with two fingers, we call camel. The only with the dromedary.
Dromedary. Not so.
Ah, really? So it is a dromedary. No, dromedary has one.
Taking a lakeside dip.
Hello. Hello, beauties.
That one's skinny, man. I think they're saying don't get close to them, they'll eat you. There's a road. This is the road to Duredo to Hara. Olin, what's up, bro? You want to jump on a camel?
Yeah.
Let's do it, bro. I'll film it, you jump on it.
Oh, okay. Can you try first and then, you know?
Alright, I'll try. I'm a bit nervous though, bro. I don't think the guy wants us to get close to them. That one's like spotted like a hyena. You see that one spotted?
Which one?
That one there, little one. It's got hyena style. They smell a bit funny as well. Salano? Neno? Adagaro? He's saying you can't get close to them, I don't know why. Probably just don't want to take pictures. Abed? Salam Neno? Neno,
What is that?
Lemon? Chikaralle? Lemon? Ay çalım? Lemon? Adagalle? Minanet? Lemon? Camels are behind me over there. The guys got a bit annoyed. They were like, didn't want us to go too close, so we didn't get too close. And this lake is beautiful because it's full of volcanic ash. You can see as you pick it up, it's super dark.
Super soft after you wash your hands with it. Beautiful.
And the next amazing thing is there's a road in the middle of the lake. You see those scenery trucks going there now. Amazing. Another amazing fact of Lake Sakala.
They're floating rocks.
Watch it. Watch it.
It floats. Never seen that before, have you?
So we've got a road in the middle of a lake and we've got floating rocks. What is next on this adventure to Awash? So beautiful. Check it out, guys. Check it out. There's the rest of the crew. Loads of beautiful acacia trees around the edge. A couple of South Africans, one Brazilian, a million camels. Some beautiful mountains in the background as well. It's cool out here. Even the big ones float. Every single rock you see is a floating rock. Amazing. Don't think I'll float like that. Finally made it to Awash Lodge. 5 hours later, probably about 7 hours in total after stopping for lunch. We're very, very hot. We're very, very bothered, but we made it. It's 37 degrees. It's pretty warm. Let's go camping, baby. This one is Awash National Park, the South Gate. They are the guards chilling. We are going in on the hike with 100 people over Awash River. Here is Awash Waterfalls. This is Awash River Waterfalls. Bit of construction going on over here. I think they're trying to build a lodge on top of the falls. Not sure if I'm loving that. Different vibes though. Very beautiful. I didn't think the falls would be so big. We're still in dry season here. Rainy season is not for another couple of weeks. The guide is telling us to be careful. You don't want to fall down there. It's game over if you fall down there. Welcome to Awash. Let me get in the picture with the crew. Yes, I. Beautiful. So green as well. Wouldn't mind going for a swim. There's any crocodiles. Crocodiles in there? Yes. Okay, the guide man's telling me there's crocodiles down in there. I don't know about that. I don't want to go down there, man. These guys are working hard on building a lodge over the falls. After chilling at the falls for quite some time, we carried on walking and we went to Awash Lodge. There we watched the sunset. It was magnificent. It was a beautiful end to a beautiful day. Stay tuned for chapter 2. Ciao for now.